everybody! Hi Philippines! Hi mga idol ko, mga mami, mga daddy. Nandito na naman kami ni Rita para i-tour kayo kung saan na naman kami pupunta. May bago kasi akong nakita dito na basta nagandahan lang ako. Sabi ko nga kay Rita, drive tayo ngayon para maipakita natin sa ating mga friend, ng mga idol, mga mami, kung ano yung mga nakikita natin. So, nood lang kayo. Okay, say something, Rita. Oh my God.
Hi, this is Lita.
Okay, say something.
Dory's taking me for a drive again Monday morning. And it's kind of nice to get out of the house, so it's nice for her to drive me around.
Okay, so magta-target kami ng mga ng mga magagandang mga bulaklak. Sana makakita kami dito.
Yeah, we're going to CVS after here.
Yeah.
But she keeps vlogging, so I don't know when we'll get there. She's driving me all over Whittier.
What is this thing here, Rita?
This is, if you go to Sorensen, you
dito sa may Norwalk, meron ako ditong nakita na nung hinanap namin yung bagong school ni Monique na pagtatrabahuan niya. Teacher kasi si Monique, yung anak ni Rita. May nakita ako ditong mga halaman talaga na ang gaganda ng mga bulaklak, grabe. Ang lalaki niya. So sana okay pa rin siya. Meron pa rin siyang mga bulaklak. What kind of church daw, Rita?
that one's pious.
Pious church?
Pious, yeah.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna
Oh yeah, I remember this one. This one. Ito yung school ni Monique na ano, tuturuan niya yung mga daily. Kasi ano siya, teacher. We're not learning there. But I need to go straight to the Another Catholic school. Ganda naman.
He's celebrating 150 years. It's been open.
Oh, wow.
Have you ever ate at Tommy's?
Huh?
Have you ever had a hamburger from Tommy's?
Thomas?
Yeah.
No.
Oh, they're very very sloppy burgers.
Oh yeah?
It's like a burger, but it has some kind of like chili beans on it or something,
Oh.
and it's pretty good. Very famous in Los Angeles.
Oh, where are you?
Very young.
Oh yeah?
And we told her, "What's your secret?"
Uh-huh.
And she said she was putting tape like this.
Oh yeah, you told me that one before.
I need to start putting tape on the background. She looked very good. And I go, "What's the secret?" And she goes, "Tape."
I know. Hinahanap ko yung ano yung place na maraming mga halaman na malalaki. Ang gaganda kaya. Pero baka mamaya makita ko na yun.
There's your bank.
Huh?
Your bank.
Oh. Yeah.
Let me show you where the girls went to school.
Huh?
Let me show you where the girls' high school is.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
And what is this white thing?
I don't know.
White building.
I don't know. It doesn't have a sign. And I don't remember what it was. Looks like a new building.
Mm-hmm. Stop muna kami. Merong dumating na ano. Okay. Dito guys, mga mami, mga daddy, pag merong dumaan na pulis, tapos may ilaw-ilaw, merong ano, kailangan mo talagang umistop kasi bawal
Turn
kasi
here,
yan.
And that means we'll go straight to the mall.
Here?
Yeah.
Cerritos
Mall.
Kasi pag hindi ka umistop,
Remember you said
lalo
you
na
wanted-
pag merong
you wanted
may mga
chicken-
ambulansya, ay
chicken
nako.
sandwich? Popeyes?
Pag nakita ka ng pulis, huli ka. Sa atin pa nga sa Pilipinas, nakikita ako. Pag merong pag may mga ambulansya, hindi yung ibang tao, yung ibang mga sasakyan parang hindi umi-stop. Kasi kailangan yan eh. Ay mga mami, mga daddy, hindi ko nakita yung hinahanap namin ni Rita na maraming mga bulaklak, mga halaman. Kaya ito, pauwi na kami. Daan na lang kami sa iba.
Turn right
Right here?
on the light.
Okay.
This is Cerritos.
Mm-hmm.
You want to go inside the mall? Or
No.
No?
No,
Okay,
no.
we want to go home?
Yeah, with your
Okay. Serious?
sige. Okay, babalik na lang kami, nag-U-turn na lang ako dito. Yes, U-turn. Yes. Wala, hindi na namin nakita ni Rita. Okay, left, right?
Left and right here.
Left and fine here. Sayang, hindi namin nakita. Ang ganda pa naman yun.
Jollibee.
Oh, they have a Filipino store here.
Yeah, remember the first time we tried to come here?
Oh, I didn't know that one. Oh, may another Filipino store here.
Was it just a Jollibee or a market?
I think Jollibee and Market.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah, because there's a lot of Philippine Cerritos. This is the first place we came.
Ha?
It's the church.
Yeah. O, ayan mga daddy, mga mami. Sana nagustuhan ninyo yung bagong tour na inano ko na naman na pinakita ko sa inyo. Kaya lang, sayang yung isa, hindi ko nakita talaga yung sinabi ko sa inyo na maraming bulaklak. Ewan ko bakit hindi namin nahanap ni Rita. Kaya baka sa susunod na lang uli. Kasi ang gusto ko naman sa susunod na puntahan yung mga bundok-bundok. Doon kami magda-drive. Gusto ko doon. Gusto kong pumunta ron. Sa mga bundukin. Tapos may maraming mga magagandang mga puno na mga green. Yan ang mga gusto ko. Kaya sa susunod na pagtutour ko ulit. Shout out nga pala sa mga kaibigan ko, sa mga devoted ko mga friend, kay Idol Cargador Vlog, at saka sa mga kay Pe Provinciana, kay Alma Villegas 23, kay sino pa ba? Mas Batenya girl. At saka meron pang marami kayo. Kaya lang hindi ko dala yung yung note ko para At saka yung meron pa ako isa shout out na lagi ako nanonood sa kanya. Si Idol, yung magaling kumanta. Ay Idol, lahat ng kinakanta mo talaga bagay sa boses mo. Tsaka thank you nga pala yung sa ni-request ko sa iyo na yung sa baby ko. Maraming salamat, Idol. Oh, thank you guys. Thank you Mommy, Daddy. Sa susunod na vlog ko ulit. Maraming salamat po sa inyo sa mga panood ninyo sa aking munting tahanan. Marami pong salamat. Asahan po ninyo, nandiyan din po ako para sa inyo po. Lagi rin po ako nanonood. Lagi ako manonood, lagi ako nagko-comment sa mga video po ninyo. Kaya maraming salamat po. I love you. Kaya bye-bye. Thank you. Hanggang sa susunod na vlog, Mommy Dory Vlog. Love you guys.